I've been at NMR Events for a little over 3 years, and I've been in the industry for over 30 years. The initial thought of designing this event was trying to enhance the natural environment because it was already a beautiful space, trying to bring out those elements a little more. It wasn't a strict highlighting of an artist, it was highlighting of a whole property. So I had to widen my scope of thinking. And with it being an outdoor event, we had to use all outdoor rated fixtures. And all the gear that we had was all weather rated IP65 fixtures. To ensure that it flowed nicely with the sun setting, we started with warm, more daylight colors, and then as the sun set, the lights changed to more of an evening look. We used broadcast fixtures that usually are for interviews or red carpet events to light up their 120-foot willow trees. It's the same fixtures that we use on our trade shows and our staging events. Every fixture that we had was fully programmable, fully adjustable. So if something got too bright, we could turn it down. If something was too dim, we could turn it up at a moment's notice. We could adjust every look to the artist and create a mood for each artist. What we had to do was we picked our moments. So if there was a special moment or an interesting part of the concert, that's where we'd use our effects. Tried not to overdo it. Challenges to a little bit were the terrain and the environment. It was in the rainy season, so we got some rain events, some wind events, so we had to adjust things on the fly. I'm proud of how the overall space turned out. It all flowed seamlessly from the stage to the lake area, to the trees, to the home property.